Pavlo with the Gusty Goulas Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Can you guess where we are today? I bet you can't. We are in the heart of Hoover, right off of Patton Chapel Road, with all of the convenience that Hoover has to offer, plus a little slice of paradise in this unique property. I cannot wait to show you around. Let's go take a look. What did you think of this one-of-a-kind property? You do not want to miss this opportunity. If you would like a private showing, give me a call today at 205-565-1510. Goodbye, guys.